Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you change your TikTok profile birthday. And guys, if your TikTok profile birthday is not perfect, and if you want to change your TikTok profile birthday, so what should you do in this tutorial? I'm gonna show you that step by step. So if we go edit profile, and then there you can see every option is here, everything you can change, but there have no option for birthday. So guys, you didn't find any option for changing your birthday from here. So what should you do in this tutorial? I'm gonna show you that. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option, and now you need to scroll down. After scroll down, you need to log out your TikTok. Okay guys, now you need to tap use phone or email option. You need to tap it, and after that you need to set your perfect birthday, which one you want to change. So you need to select your birthday from here. You need to select your perfect birthday from here, then tap on next. And now you need to set this phone number which on you already, which phone number you already add or you use for your previous TikTok profile. You need to use this phone number or email from here. And after set your phone number, previous TikTok profile phone number, then you get an option for verification code. And if you put this verification code here, then you get your previous TikTok profile, and this TikTok account, your birthday is changed perfectly. So I hope you can understand it. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.